Ryan's got one. What's he got?
Man.
Don't tell me you lost it.
Oh, it's still on it.
Get your net. You need help?
I'm good.
Big fish dragging his boat around. What's he got? You see it?
No.
Don't lose it. Ryan's fighting it. Look at that pole bending. Whoa. Holy cow, get it in the boat, buddy. Get it in the boat.
What is that?
I don't know, but you better get it in.
That's a humongous catfish. Like a pike.
A pike?
Yeah.
Well, get it in the boat. Need help?
I know that's a muskie.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm gonna take this to the shore.